Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the QGeeM Deluxe computer cable C to HDMI. Now when purchasing this type of cable, you need to take note of the speed that it has. So this one here is a 60 Hz, so there are cables that is around 30 Hz. So you want to get a cable with a higher transfer speed so that you can have a better output on your device. So let's see what is inside this package right here. Okay, this braided cable is 3 meters long, and you can see the quality of this. It's actually feel like a very quality build on this HDMI cable. So I purchased this cable so that I can screen mirror from my mobile device to the TV. So I'm going to test it out. So this one here go into the HDMI port on the TV, and this one here go into your mobile device. And even the zip tie right here, it's not a zip tie, this kind of like Velcro thingy. It's quite nice, and the cable is very thick. You can see here it's actually quite thick. I thought it would be thin, but actually it's quite thick and very nice quality, very strong right here. Actually, I'm very happy with the purchase of this cable. They're very nice. Okay, now I have plugged the cable into my Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I have opened up Samsung Dex. It works quite well. I can play YouTube videos directly on the TV. You can also use the cables with Samsung Dex to open up gallery and view photos directly from your gallery in here. Okay, so this is a video that I have played directly from my Samsung Galaxy phone to the TV, and you can see it works really well. I can also maximize it by tapping on the maximum button right there, and there it is. I can zoom it in or out. And this is from my gallery right here. And yeah, so this cable is really good. Alright, so that is the cable right there. QGeeM. This is the USB-C to HDMI, and you can use, with this cable, you can use Samsung Dex on your mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.